Let's try this again.
Okay. Oh! Where's the baby? There you are. Big and all. Oh! There you are. Look. He's listening to headphones. Oh. They're soft, isn't it? It's very soft. I feel like he's in pain. I know. Do you think he's in pain and that's why he's crying?
I don't think so.
Hi. Hi. Can I have your arm, please?
Wow.
Oh, I know. He was doing that earlier. Yeah. Can I get this mitt? Uh-oh. Yes, please. Yes, please. Oh, there we go. There we go. One down, one to go. One down, one to go. Oh, tell me. Tell me all about it, baby. Tell me. Oh, what else happened? Oh, your head. Your head. Oh, your face. Okay. There we go. There we go. I know. I know. This is Declan, newly milk drunk, for only the second time. Oh, I'm just telling the truth, mister. I'm just telling the truth.